Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I play 1v1.lol. So yeah, first we're going to be going in. I'm just going to be doing free build for you guys, and then I'm going to be ending this video. So yeah. I'm going to show you guys my edits. Those are my edits. So yeah, and then I can also do this. I can also so like boom boom boom. So yeah guys. So yeah guys, that's how I usually play this game. It's been a while since I usually played it, so yeah. Make sure you guys go follow my TikTok. It's Fortnite the God 1223, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how I I'm gonna do some 1v1 competitive leagues with you guys too. So yeah. So yeah guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do some competitive league. I'm gonna do some 1v1 and box fights, and then I'll be ending this video for today, guys. But I'll be making another video with my friend today, just a reminder. So yeah, that's how I do 1v1s, but I'm gonna be doing better for you guys today. So we're gonna be doing some competitive box fighting. If you don't know what that is, look it up. But yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my aim training. So yeah, let's get right with my aiming. I'm not that good with my aiming, as you can see. But these I am, like. So yeah, swing this boom. Boom, yeah, so that's how I be playing this game, guys. I'll show you guys how I snipe. So yeah. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss my videos I'm going to do today. And put on notice where you can, so you don't miss any of my videos. And hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Peace.